Right, so I'm going to do number 45, this one here, and it says in the selected formulae and rules is shown a right triangle. Use trigonometry to find the length of AC and BC, given that AB is 3 and angle A is 30. Okay, so angle A is 30, which is this angle here. This is 30 degrees, and this is A, and that's B, and that's C, and that's angle A, and this is the triangle. Just going to draw the triangle so that I can export it, so that I can do this and move the triangle to here. Maybe make it even a bit bigger. Make it bigger. That's going to help to explain a few things. So this is angle 30 degrees, and we're being asked to find AC, I believe. AC and BC, we know AB is 3 centimeters, so this here is 3 centimeters. Then AC, we don't know, and BC, we don't know. But what do we know? We know that BC is opposite the 30 degrees, so it is the opposite side. And BC is opposite the right angle, so this is a right angle, and the side that's opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. Okay, so we've got the hypotenuse, then we know that opposite side, so this is O and this is H, and this is going to be the adjacent side. The adjacent is always joining the angle to the right angle, so that's the adjacent side. Now we know that opposite side of adjacent is tan theta, where theta is the angle. In this case, theta is 30 degrees. Then adjacent side of hypotenuse is cos of the angle, and opposite side over the hypotenuse is sine of the angle. And what are we looking for? We can either find the hypotenuse or the opposite side. I think I'm going to go for the opposite side, or the hypotenuse first. So hypotenuse, the hypotenuse H is related to the adjacent through this formula. So adjacent side of hypotenuse equals cos of theta. In this case, we're looking for the hypotenuse, so we're going to make the hypotenuse the subject. So A equals H cos 30 degrees. So A over cos 30 degrees, or cos theta, is the hypotenuse, which is what we want. We want the hypotenuse. So H equals, the adjacent side is only 3, and cos theta is cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees. So if we go back to here, we know that cos 30 degrees, so if you go for cos 30 degrees, the answer is root 3 divided by 2. So this is going to be 3 divided by root 3 divided by 2, which is the same as 3 divided by 1 divided by root 3 over 2, which is the same as 3 over 1. You know, you change the division to multiplication, and you change, or you flip the second fraction, so it becomes 2 divided by root 3. So this basically is 3 times 2 divided by 1 times root 3, which basically is 6 divided by root 3. But when you've got a root 3, when you've got a root as a denominator, you multiply by that root. So that root 3 times root 3 becomes 3. And then at the top you do the same, because root 3 over 3 is the same as you've just multiplied by 1. So that becomes 6 root 3 divided by 3, which becomes 6, or 3 can go into 6 twice, so it's 2 root 3. So this side here is 2 root 3. This here is 2 root 3. And now we need to find BC. So to find BC, we can use the opposite side of hypotenuse, or we can use opposite side of adjacent, because we've got them both. But because we don't have tan in here, we might want to avoid tan. But if we should want to use tan, the relationship between the sine and the cosine and tan is this. So you can use that. And all you'd have to do is you'd say tan theta, or tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees equals sine 30 degrees divided by cos 30 degrees. Now, sine 30 degrees is half, divided by cos 30 degrees is root 3 over 2, which basically means the 2's cancel out. Or if you want to show how this is done, it's half divided by root 3 over 2, which is the same as half times 2 over root 3. The 2's cancel, so you're left with 1 over root 3. You can multiply root 3, and you get root 3 over 3. That's the answer for tan of 30 degrees. So tan of 30 degrees is going to be root 3 over 3. So we can use that, or we can just use this one here. So let's start with adjacent of hypotenuse equals cos theta. So adjacent over hypotenuse equals cos theta. Now the adjacent side is 3 divided by the hypotenuse side. In fact, we've got the hypotenuse already. We're looking for opposite side over adjacent instead. So let's do opposite side of hypotenuse is sine of theta. The opposite side is what we're looking for. So opposite side equals hypotenuse times sine theta. We've just found out why the hypotenuse is, and it is that. So 2 root 3 times sine of 30 degrees. So we just need to figure out what time. Sine of 30 degrees, go back here, sine of 30 degrees is half. So this is going to be times half, which basically means that this 2 cancels with that 2. So we are left with just root 3. So the opposite side is root 3. Okay? So let's say we wanted to use the opposite side over adjacent, which is tan theta. So opposite side, say we didn't have the opposite side, so opposite side of over adjacent is tan theta. So opposite side is adjacent times tan theta. So opposite side is adjacent, and the adjacent is 3. We know that. And tan 30 degrees we've calculated here is root 3 over 3. So times root 3 over 3. Again, the 3 is gonna cancel here, and we're just left with root 3. And that's the same as what we've found with the other one. Okay, with the other method. Another method, the last one would have been, because we've already got this, say we've calculated this one and this one. Okay, we would say that, let me use black, we would say that AC squared, and this formula is here, it's that one there. Okay, so AC squared is equal to, because that's the hypotenuse, or let's say hypotenuse squared is opposite squared plus adjacent squared. So the hypotenuse was AC, so AC squared equals the opposite squared, which is BC squared, plus AB squared. Okay, so AC squared equals, which is the hypotenuse, which is what we want. Say we wanted to find the hypotenuse. Say we've got the hypotenuse, which is that, so we've got this, and we've got AB, and we want to find BC, so it will be AC squared minus AC squared minus, because we've got AB, so AB squared is BC squared, so BC equals the square root of AC squared minus AB squared. So what is AC squared? AC is 3, so AC squared is 9, right? Minus AB. In fact, AB is 9. AB squared. So what is AC squared? AC squared is 2 root 3, rather. It's 2 root 3. So it's 2 root 3 squared minus, I'm going to have to take this down, minus AB squared, and AB is 3, so minus 3 squared. Okay, I'm going to have to move this so that I can get more space to finish it off. Right, let's cut it from here and let's go and paste it right here so we can finish it off. Right, so here we go. So let's be careful now. So this is all under square root. Now this means if I remove this bracket, it's 2 squared root 3 squared, okay, minus AB is 3 squared. So that becomes 4 times 3, because root 3 squared is 3, minus 3 squared, which is 9. So this becomes 12 minus 9, which is root 3. So BC is root 3. BC is root 3, which gives you this amount. Okay? So it's just getting used to using this triangle. You're given enough information that the only thing you're not given here is these 3 things I've written here. Those are the only things, so you just need to know this. These trigonometric functions, then it should be okay. Okay. Okay.